So, welcome back to Red Rivals. I know the only reason why you had not seen me is because I was contemplating if this haircut was chopped or not. So, today, two things on the agenda. First, tactic board, but like not a tactic board. But today, the second thing on the agenda is Hugo Ekitike. See, I'll just show you the stats right now. So, key stats in percentile 90th, like in 90 minutes. Goals plus assist per 90, 84th percentile, pretty high. Next, non-penalty XG plus expected assisted goals, 96th percentile. Then progressive carries, 96th percentile. Key passes per 90, 95th percentile. And successful take-ons per 90, 96th percentile. So, let me explain these stats to you pretty quickly. गोल्स प्लस असिस्ट पर 90, जितने गोल असिस्ट वो एक गेम में दे रहा है पर 90 मिनट्स, उसमें 84th परसेंटाइल इज लाइक प्रीटी हाई. नॉन पेनल्टी एक्सजी प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड असिस्टेड गोल्स. सो बेसिकली एवरी सिंगल शॉट यू टेक विच इज नॉट अ पेनल्टी, उसका एक प्रोबेबिलिटी होता है ऑफ इट बिकमिंग अ गोल. दैट इज नॉन पेनल्टी एक्सजी. एक्सपेक्टेड असिस्टेड गोल्स इज बेसिकली दूसरे प्लेयर का जो नॉन पेनल्टी एक्सजी है उसमें से कितने पास एकिटीके ने उस प्लेयर को दिए. सपोज इफ आई एम स्कोरिंग 5 goals एंड एकिटीके ने मेरे को 10 थ्रू बॉल दिए, राइट? सो देयर इज अ 0.5 चांस दैट गोल दैट पास विल रिजल्ट इन अ गोल. सो माई नॉन पेनल्टी एक्सपेक्टेड असिस्टेड गोल्स इज 0.5 पर 90 मिनट्स. समझा? इजी पीजी. प्रोग्रेसिव कैरीज. सपोज बॉल ली हाफ वे लाइन पे, यू कैरी द बॉल इनटू द फाइनल थर्ड. जितना डिस्टेंस एंड जितना ईज के साथ तुम करते हो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोग्रेसिव कैरीज. सो उसमें ईज प्रेटी हाई. की पासिस पर 90, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट केडीबी डज, ब्रूनो डज एंड सैडली ट्रेंट आल्सो डज. ही इज प्रेटी हाई एंड फॉर अ फॉरवर्ड 95% इज प्रेटी गुड. And successful take-ons, basically what Vinicius Junior does or tries to do. Yamal does it the best in my opinion. That's why Ekitike is not 99. So our agenda today is that why did Liverpool go for Ekitike and not for Alexander Isak? We'll talk about it here. Sorry, AC बंद करके वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ रहा है. So and मेरे को कोल्ड भी है. So let's just compare the pie charts of Isak and Ekitike since 2019. Okay, goals में that is the only thing in which Isak is better than Ekitike at since 2019. So as we can clearly see, dribbles, chances, touches, Isak उतना लेता ही नहीं है and Ekitike बहुत ज़्यादा लेता है in comparison. Defensive action भी Ekitike के better है and touches in the box में Ekitike is more. Even though Ekitike is someone who plays, as a false nine or like a second fiddle to Omar Marmoush, and they usually switched in Frankfurt when they played. But when he was at Reims, he was the main man, I guess. Sorry, I have a bad throat. Then, let's compare. The thing with comparison is that since Isak and Ekitike are of similar frames, height-wise, and when Isak was my bad. And when Isak was at where was he? Real Sociedad. He was pretty similar in terms of frame, like height and weight के हिसाब से, like comparable to Ekitike. So we'll just compare season by season for the past 3 seasons: 21-22, 22-23, 23-24, 24-25, 4 seasons. Okay. So as we can see, a young Ekitike obviously dominates a young Isak. Next season, Ekitike moves to PSG. Obviously, he ain't breaking into M&M. Isak came to Newcastle, shined as he should have. Then Ekitike moved to Frankfurt, and here we can see his transition from the Liga into Bundesliga. So we can see that his creativity was still there, and it was better than Alexander Isak's. But obviously goals में थोड़ा problem होगा, but like because he also played very few games. Next season, the last season. Now that we compare the last season statistics, goals में थोड़ा ही पीछे है. Conversion rate is very less. So you could say that conversion is a thing for Ekitike to work on. But rest of the metrics, man, I think he's pretty damn good and better at Isak than, like better than Isak at. So why do I think that Liverpool have gone for Ekitike is because Isak तो बहुत महंगा है पहली बात, एंड दूसरी बात ये है कि गलत टाइम में मैसेज कर दिया यार सैम, एंड दूसरी बात ये है कि ही इज यंगर, 2 या 3 years का गैप है, एंड इफ यू लाइक लुक एट द स्टेटिस्टिक्स ईयर वाइज देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट दैट Hugo Ekitike is on the same trajectory which Alexander Isak was at. So if you look at it, he's really up there in terms of what Isak used to do, and he's much better at it. Okay, let's not go there. So I feel that Newcastle were going for Ekitike for a reason, is because Isak जैसा player है, and if Isak were to be sold or future में Ekitike उसके लिए second fiddle खेलता, तो Ekitike could do the things which Isak can. And that's probably why Newcastle were going for it, but Liverpool made a power move obviously and like bullied Newcastle out of it. So I think we've signed Ekitike because he is a young Isak, so he can be molded into a slot way, in my opinion. And the other thing is that price tag सस्ता है, and the third thing is that उस पर pressure उतना नहीं रहेगा. So if you think about it, if Alexander Isak was hypothetically to come to Liverpool, then the deal would have been कि Isak has all eyes on him because 150 million British transfer record. That's the deal. But Ekitike, although he's very expensive, let's not debate that. But the thing is कि Words, Salah के ऊपर ज़्यादा pressure रहेगा. That is why Ekitike अगर 10 game, let's go. I hope he doesn't, but let's go. If Ekitike goes 10 games without scoring a goal, उस पर उतना shit नहीं होगा जितना ईसाक ने अगर 10 मैचेस में गोल नहीं मारा तो. एंड दैट इज प्रॉब्ली वाई आई फील दैट इट्स अ ग्रेट मूव फॉर अस टू साइन Ekitike बिकॉज वी साइंड अ न्यू ईसाक हु कैन बी मोल्डेड. एंड अगर लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि उसका फिनिशिंग इज नॉट दैट ग्रेट परसेंटेज वाइज, शॉट कन्वर्जन रेट इज लाइक रियली लो, इट्स लाइक 17. ही इज़ अ वेरी टेक्निकली गिफ्टेड प्लेयर क्योंकि उसके लिए ड्रिबल्स एंड ऑल बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारे होते हैं. सो अगर वो टेक्निकली गिफ्टेड है ना कोई, तो the only thing which is lacking is power and finishing touch. He has the abilities. He just needs to learn how to do what and when. So it's like Messi को तुम shooting सिखा सकते हो, but तुम रोनाल्डो को मेसी की तरह ड्रिबल करना नहीं सिखाते because it's instinctual. Like रोनाल्डो की तरह मेसी ड्रिबल नहीं कर पाएगा, I guess. I don't know. Like रोनाल्डो चॉप करके he can't go there, but like it's the thing which like technique के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, right? So Messi and Ronaldo are very different types of finishers. Ekitike is like, you know, more technical than Isak or like Darwin Núñez, you'd say. So even though his percentage conversion is very less, I think that Ekitike can improve on it drastically. Ever since like because Liverpool में आएगा, he'll get chances galore. And if he is fucking better than Darwin Núñez at converting the chances, we are eating good. We are eating good. So that's pretty much it, I guess. Like, क्योंकि I think he'll work. He'll work really well. Let me know your thoughts. I know ये थोड़ा वीडियो पॉज इसके साथ ज़्यादा है, बट मैं चेन्नई आया एंड मेरा गला ख़राब हो गया. सो let me know your thoughts and please like, share and subscribe. There I said it, भीख मांगनी शुरू कर दिया, and कल या परसों एक सरप्राइज वीडियो आएगी. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next one. Bye bye.